Man, oh man, it's cold out here and Lake Erie is alive. Look at those waves crashing against that wall out there. All right, so we've got 40-mile-an-hour gusts over Lake Erie, shifting more out of the northwest. That means we're going to start to tap into the energy, the warmth. I know, it's cold there, but it's blowing over that warm Lake Erie. And what it's doing is it's pulling that moisture up, throwing it up into the air, and dropping it as snow, lake effect snow. That will be cranking up later on today. And where those squalls persist, look at those waves, man. Woo! Where those squalls persist, plan on 2 to 4, maybe up to 6 extra inches as we go throughout today into early tomorrow. Be safe.